In this question, as you can see, we need to find a, b, c, a square, b square, c square, a cube, b cube, c cube. We need to show that abc into a minus b into b minus c into c minus a is equal to abc into a minus b into b minus c into c minus a. So first of all, we can take a common from c1, b common from c2, and c common from c3. So we are taking a, b, and c as common. A is taking, we are taking common from c1, b we are taking common from c2, and c we are taking common from c3. So what will be left? We are taking common a. So 1 a square, 1 b square, 1 c square. We have taken common. Now we need to find a minus b minus c, and c minus a. So to find a minus b, we can subtract a minus b. So a and b. So c1 implies c1 minus c2. c2 implies c2 minus c3 to get b minus. Okay. Now then it will be a, b, c will be same. 1 minus 1, 0. A minus b, b, 0. B minus c, b plus c into b minus c. I'm writing directly a square minus b square will be a plus b into a minus b. But I'm writing directly, right? Okay. B square minus c square will be b plus c into b minus c. And c3 will be same, 1c square. Okay. Now from this we can take b a minus b as common. From this we can take b minus c as common. So take common abc into a minus b, b minus c. What will be left? 0, 0, 1, 1, 1 c, a plus b, b plus c square. This will be left. Now find the det. This will be same, a b c into a minus b, b minus c. So we have done till here. We got a plus b, a minus b, b minus c. We need to find c minus a. So det of this will be, this is 0, 0 into anything will be 0. This is also 0, 0 into anything will be always 0. Now 1 into b minus b plus c minus of a plus b. So abc into a minus b, b minus c, then plus b plus c minus a minus b. Plus b minus b cancel, a minus c minus a will be left. So abc, a minus b, b minus c minus a. Okay, hence proved. Question, let me tell you. A square, a plus a cube, b square 1 plus b cube, c square 1 plus c cube is equal to 0. And a square 1, b square 1, and c square 1 is not equal to 0. We have to show that a, b, c is equal to minus 1. Now first of all, what is given to us? Given that a square 1, b square 1, c square 1 is not equal to 0. This is given to us. Also, a square 1 plus a cube, b square 1 plus b cube, c square 1 plus c cube is equal to 0. That is also given to us. Now, If we add these two, just add it. A square 1, B square 1, C square 1 plus A square 1 plus A cube, B square 1 plus B cube, C square 1 plus C cube is equal to 0. Okay? This plus this is equal to 0. We can take A square 1, B square 1, C square 1. If we take A common from this, take A common from this, B common from R2, C common from R3. So if you take A as common, 1, A square. If you take B common, 1, B square. If you take C common from R3, we'll get 1, C square is equal to 0. Okay. Now, interchange these two. Okay, C1 and C2. If you interchange it, you will get a negative sign over here. A square 1, B square 1, C square 1 minus ABC. If you interchange these two, we will get it as A1 A square, B1 B square, C1 C square. They are changing. If you change any rows or columns, if you interchange any two rows or columns, we will get a negative sign because this is a determinant. It's a det. Now again change C2 and C3. Interchange C2 and C3. A square 1, B square 1, C square 1. Okay. If you interchange these two, what will you get? You will get again one more minus sign. So it will make this one, this minus as plus. So A, B, C, A square, B square, C square, 1, 1, 1. Okay. Understood till here? Now, if we take A square 1, B square 1, and C square 1, this det, if you take this det and this det common, A square 1, B square 1, C square 1, we are taking common. What will be left? 1 plus B ABC is equal to 0. Okay. If we take these two as common, what will be left? A square 1, B square 1, and C square 1, what will be left? 1 plus ABC is equal to 0. From 1, okay, from 1, we know that it is not equal to 0. It was given to us in the question that this is not equal to 0. Okay. If it is not equal to 0, then it will be some value or some constant value. It will not be a constant value, but it's a variable value, but it will not be equal to 0. So we can skip that. what will be left? 1 plus ABC is equal to 0. Okay, 1 plus ABC is equal to 0. Send this minus 1 to that side, it will become minus 1. So ABC is equal to minus 1. Okay, hence proved. Find the value of x. Okay, now we can apply R2 implies R2 minus R1, R3 implies R3 minus R2, R2 minus R1 and R3 minus R2. Okay, to simplify this. So what will you get? R1 will remain same, x minus 2, 2x minus 3, 3x minus 4. Okay. This will be x minus 4, 2x minus 9, 3x minus 16, x minus 8, 2x minus 27, 3x minus 64. Okay, we know that this is equal to 0. So R2 minus R1. R2 is x minus 4. R1 is minus 6 plus 2. Okay. Find it. If you apply this operation, you will get it as x minus 2, 2x minus 3, 3x minus 4, minus 2, minus 6, minus 12, minus 4, minus 18, minus 48. Now take minus 2 common from R2 and R3. If you take minus 2 as common, x minus 2, 2x minus 3, 3x minus 4, minus 2 is common, so 1, minus 2 is common, so 3, minus 2 is common, so 6. If we take minus 2 common from minus 4, we will get it as 2, 9, and 24. Now apply. R3 implies R3 minus 2R2. Okay, apply R3 implies R3 minus 2R2 to make this one as 0. So you will get it as x minus 2 to x minus 3, 3x minus 4, 1, 3, 6, 0, 3, 12. Okay, this is also equal to 0. Then find the det of this matrix. Okay, I'm going to use columns to find the det. Minus 2 into minus 2, that will be 4. Okay. Find the det of this matrix. I got minus 2 into minus 2 is equal to 4 over here. If I send this 4 to that side, it will be 0 by 4. 0 by 4 will be 0. Okay. Minus, sorry, x minus 2 into 3 12 the 36 minus 18. Okay. Then minus 1 into remove this row and this column. 2x minus 3 into 12 minus 3 into 3x minus 4. Okay. 36 minus 18 will be we got x minus 2 into 18 minus 2x minus 3 into 12 minus 3 into 3x minus 4. Divide the whole equation is equal to 0. Divide the whole equation by 3. We'll get it as x minus 2 into 6 minus 12 by 3 will be 4 into 2x minus 3 minus 3x minus 4 is equal to 0. Okay, it is equal to 0. Simplify this. You will get it as 6x minus 12 minus 8x plus 12 minus 3x plus 4 is equal to 0. Add all the x terms, simplify this, and finally you will get the answer as x is equal to 4. We can cancel this minus 12 plus 12. Remove 6x from 8 minus 8x. You will get it as minus 2x minus 3x. So this is plus 3x. Minus 4. Okay. 2x minus 2x plus 3x will be x. Send this minus 4 to that side, we'll get it as 4.